To AI or not to AI? That is the question. Individuals and businesses all over the world are asking that question. On the one hand, AI can do marvelous things. On the other hand, they are scary as hell and may take over the world. For us at Quantum Pot Grow, the answer is easy. We teach people how to grow lab-grade medical marijuana at home. Even though our step-by-step instructions are easy to follow, things can still go wrong. Without a trained AI in our plant clinic, when things go wrong, entire crops can be lost. Even if a new grower is careful to never over or underwater the plants and follow the nutrient regimen to the letter, pests can still invade the grow room. Most of the common pests are too small to be seen with the naked eye, but the damage they cause on the leaves can be evaluated by our AI to determine what the pest is and how it can be eliminated. This is crucial. Depending on where you live, there is an array of nasty bugs eager to eat your plants. As soon as you see any discoloration or brittleness on a leaf, you take a photo of the leaf, upload to the plant clinic, and our AI, Q, will instantly identify the offending pest and offer real-time solutions to safely eliminate it. Just this year, Q identified a pest I had never seen in my 26 years of cannabis cultivation and saved my crop. QPG is not some 15-minute grow guide. We have the most complete cannabis cultivation course available anywhere. Our 4-course videos average more than 20 minutes each, and our AI plant clinic is literally a crop saver. Stop by quantumpotgrow.com today and claim your free Getting Started blueprint. As always, if you found value here, please like and subscribe, but only smash the alert bell if you are running low on daily interruptions. See you in the plant clinic.